Hello there, I'm Dom for Yala Media, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a UWP application, which is an application installed from the Microsoft Store to start up when your Windows 10 PC is starting up. So what you want to do is go to your Start menu and find a UWP application, for example, Calendar, and then just drag it to the desktop, just like that. Next, you want to go and find the startup folder, and the easiest way to do it is to right click on an application, more, and then open file location, and then you'll be redirected to this directory, C program data, Microsoft, Windows Start menu or programs, and then go to startup, and then just drag this shortcut here, give it administrative right, and it should be working. Now if you want it to only launch on your user account, then you have to find the other game directory, and you want to find a program that's only installed on your user account, for example GameMaker 8.1 Lite for me, and then I'll just go ahead and go more, open file location, and then it's this directory instead. So it's C drive, the users, my username, app data, roaming, Microsoft, Windows, Start menu programs, and then I'll go up a directory, and then I'll go to startup, and then I'll drag the shortcut from the desktop to this folder, just like that. So now this will only launch when going into my user account. So that's how you add UWP application onto startup when you're starting up your Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching.